Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news coming from Formula One. For the 2025 season, the Miami Grand Prix is shaking things up with a new ticket option for fans. Yes, you heard that right. This year they're introducing one-day grandstand tickets, giving more flexibility for race weekend. Let's dive into what that means and how it could impact your experience if you're heading to Miami next year. The 2025 Miami Grand Prix is introducing a major change when it comes to ticketing options. Fans will now have the chance to buy one-day grandstand tickets, allowing them to experience all the action on a single day instead of committing to a full weekend. This is a pretty big move for the event, especially since Grand Prix weekends typically span 3 days with practice, qualifying, and the race itself. This decision comes as part of the organizers' efforts to make the event more accessible and offer more options for fans who may not be able to attend all weekend. Whether you're a local who can't take the whole weekend off or someone just looking to enjoy the race without the full commitment, this one-day ticket could be a perfect solution. Now, why does this matter? The Miami Grand Prix has quickly become one of the most popular events on the F1 calendar since its debut in 2022. The atmosphere in Miami is electric, and it's a great opportunity to be part of the F1 experience. However, not everyone has the time, resources, or desire to attend a full 3-day event. By offering a more affordable and flexible option, F1 is making it easier for a wider audience to get involved. This could be particularly appealing to casual fans, tourists, or those new to the sport. You won't have to worry about the financial or time commitment of the entire weekend. Plus, this opens up the possibility for more fans to attend, which is great for the sport's growth in the United States. So how will these one-day tickets work? The details are still rolling out, but it's expected that fans will be able to choose which day they want to attend, whether it's practice day, qualifying, or race day. Each of these days offers something different. Practice gives you a chance to see the cars on track and get a feel for the circuit. Qualifying sets the grid and gives you a taste of the competitive intensity. And race day is where the real magic happens, the thrilling conclusion to the weekend. Each ticket will offer access to the grandstand, where fans can enjoy great views of the track. If you're lucky, you may also get access to some of the incredible F1 hospitality zones, but we'll have to wait for more information on that. What's really exciting about this change is how it benefits both fans and the sport. As mentioned earlier, this opens up the opportunity for more fans to attend and experience F1 live, which is great for the overall growth of the sport in the US. F1's popularity in America has been steadily rising, and events like the Miami GP are playing a huge role in that. For fans, having the option to pick just one day could make it much easier to fit F1 into their schedules and budgets. The flexibility will also likely appeal to people who live in the area, as it's a lot more convenient to plan around one day instead of 3. So, to sum it up, the 2025 Miami Grand Prix is offering one-day grandstand tickets, which is a huge step towards making the event more accessible for fans. If you're looking to attend but can't commit to a whole weekend, this could be your perfect opportunity. As F1 continues to grow its fan base, especially in the US, these types of changes will be key in drawing in even more spectators. Are you excited about this change? Will you be buying a one-day ticket for the Miami GP? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more F1 news and updates. Until next time, keep racing.